to the challenges parts in this chapter 1. There's 5 challenge problems that need us to solve together. So let's do this one by one. This video we focus on the first one, called is even odd vending machine. So actually, I put a vending machine image, but this program is actually to check whether a number is an even number or odd number. So, let's put that our mathematical is in more colorful way. Before we go to the this coding, the author mentioned here. So within this book website, he published all those solutions in this website page. So if you go to this website, you will come to, you can see this page of this book. So let's see here. So, from here, there's 3 download. You can download some sample paragraph, and you can also download the solution. The second one, PDF file and the code file for all the chapters, the programming challenges parts. So I already downloaded that. I will try to use those as the reference. But again, I hope is you also download this, but let's don't copy paste the code. Let's try to do the coding line by line so that we can understand all the tiny detail of the coding or the programming logic for the problem. But you can anytime is refer to this downloaded package and to see those contents and those the meanings. So for this one, let's create our new the name. So 0109 is called this even odd vending machine dot py. So for this one is let's put our comments here. So the purpose is the let's see the name, and the purpose. Let's see the purpose is to understand what's the needed. So it's try to do the 2 things. So one is the print whether a number is even or odd, and the 2 is to display the number followed by the next 9 even or odd numbers. So there's a 2 purpose. So let's make that shorter so that then you can see that easily. So first, we need to make our conclusion. If I read our the number into the computer, I need to tell whether it's an even number or odd number. And if these are even number, then I will print out the next 9 even number. If it's an odd number, I print the next 9 odd number. So that is, you can put your name and the date. So that is your header of the program. And the hint is your program should use the is integer method to display an error message. If the number is input is a number with a significant digit beyond the decimal point. So with a significant digit beyond the decimal point. So that is the thing is if I want to have our the integer, I will check is please input our the integer or just to verify is our number or not. So first is we thought is we should make a definition. Definition is we just call this even, odd, vending machine. So we can put this just to consider what kind of the variables we will put. So we will need to read in a number. So we need to give a number here. Then what's the logic for this vending machine? Is you remember is how to check our number is odd or even. So we will divide it by 2 to see the remainder whether it's 0 or not. If 0 is an even number, so that is if. We assume is we already passed the validation, so this input number is our number. So if this equal to 0, what's that mean? So this will be our even number. Print this is an even number. And then we can see else, right? This is odd number. And that's the basic function. Then we will have this magic. You always use this magic function if underscore name underscore is equal to the single quote underscore min underscore. Then we can do something. So we will do the read our number. So, but see here, we need to verify whether input is a number or not. So we will use try, and then we will have the except. So except is something is well, we can try. So try is we get a number is what's the number is we can get our float number. So it's input. Please input an integer. We need an integer, but we convert that to our float first. So then is the catch except if that is a value arrow. Then we will print. Please input our valid number. So let's do this test first. So we are not yet called this function. So, but we want to see. Please input integer. So I input a real integer. It's okay. If I input our floating number, it's okay. If I input something not our integer, not our number, I will get please input our valid number. So this catch up value arrow is okay. But if I input what's mean the significant digits, so let me see. So let me see. So that is no problem. So as long as this is a number, so it should be our non-valid number, then it will be have a value arrow. Then is I already have our number, but I convert that to float. So that means if I input a 5, now the number is a 5.0. So I need to verify if number use this is integer. Only is that these are float number, I can use this is integer. So if it's integer, then I will call this one. So I can call this one, and else I will put is please input integer. they need one integer, please. So let's now do our test. So if I put now our float, so I will trigger this first else. If I put our non-number, I will trigger this values arrow. Now let's see if I put our integer 5. Oh, it's trigger into this function because it's go to here, then go to function, and this is correct. Now is print is this is an odd number. So that means our first part is passed. Then let's see if there's a number is already verified as even or odd. I will then need to print 9 followed same type. So those can be done from this within this function. So here is we make our count from 1, then count to 9, because we already know we need 9 times. So that means we can use while. So while count less than or equal to 9, what I will do? So I will print or maybe I put this first is number equal to number plus 2. So this is also same as number plus equal to. So that is the same way. So you can also have the space to make that. So that is the same way. And now I got the 2 is the first the same type number after number. Then is I can do the count plus plus. So what's that is the plus plus is not have that in Python, so I can use the plus equal 1. So that will make that the stepping, and then I will print the number. So I thought that is done. And then this print I actually is you remember for this multiplication table what we have done. So we print this. We can have the way. So we have this 0, and then with our tab we have the single quotes. And then dot format with the number and n equal to empty. Then I will print these 9 numbers in same. So we can comment this, then compare to another one, just print number. So let's run here. So if I put our even number 8, now I got those 8, but those are the number you may feel is those are numbers are the floating number actually. So if number to those I have using this one for format is the floating number. So if I comment this and use this one, and I put here. So let me run this with 5. Oh, this is an odd number. Please input our valid number. So y is coming to this one. Input a valid number is coming to here. Let me put that, run again. Oh, I got that already. But the tricky part is on why I got this floating. So that I can, now you can see this different. And when I read this number, number is integer. And here is actually I should read that it's an integer, then I should convert that to integer. So that will be easier. So the correct, so let me see 4. So I got all the integer. First is 4, then I got this from 6. Then you can comment this and use this one to do that better view. So let me put this 7. So I got this 9. The part is just maybe it's, I can just give 2 the space. Then let's see 9. So that is closer. So it's only one line. The better display for this. So I hope it's through this adjustment is you can have some feeling for this first the challenge, the program challenge, and build your own the even old vending machine. So and try these 2 major parts. One is read a number, read our inputs, and use the is integer to check that you can convert that to integer, and all at the same time you have this try except way to handle the value error exception. And the second point is remember how you can verify our number is even or odd, and using our while loop to print something, some numbers following your numbers with the pattern. And I give you 2 type of the print, and you can use this and equal to something, the empty to make those 9 lines print into 1 line. So these are the my version, a little customized version compared to the solution. So see you in the next video.